everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to change your air cabin filter for a 2015 Ford Edge. The air cabin filter is exactly what it sounds like. It is a filter that filters the air going into the cabin, or where you're sitting, inside of the car. A lot of people seem to think that the engine air filter does that. It doesn't. This is the air cabin filter, so this will filter the air you are currently breathing. And you wouldn't believe how many people skimp out on this and breathe in really dirty, gross smelling air. So if your car stinks, like the air coming out of the vents stinks, this is definitely something to change because it's probably never been changed before. And once you do, you'll have increased airflow, the air will be healthier to breathe, and it'll smell better. So those are three excellent reasons to do it. And the filter is like 10 bucks on Amazon. I will link it down below in the description. And doing this maintenance item saves you a ton of money. A shop's probably gonna charge you like 50 bucks to do this, and this is like, if I wasn't filming, I could probably do this in under a minute. It really is that simple, easy, and anyone can do it. You just need to open your passenger door. It is that simple. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump in. So the very first thing we do is actually pretty easy. Just open your glove box until it comes down. So then we're gonna get rid of this arm, and that's really easy. It just comes up like that. It takes some jiggling. And just move that arm out of the way, and this will let our glove box open wider in just a moment. So right here on the glove box, all we have to do is lift up right where my finger is. There's like little tangs that catch right here, and then our glove box can open up fully. So then we can reach in. There should be little ears on each side that you can manipulate out of the way, and then the door opens, revealing, ew, our icky air filter. Get that out of there. So then we have our new air filter, linked down below in the description, and you just want the airflow arrow to point up when replacing it. Back into its home, just like that. Push from both sides. So on this door, if you try to just push it back into place, it's not going to want to go. Sometimes you have to push down and then in like that, and snap that back in place. And there should be some safeties on the side you can put back into their home. This one doesn't have it. Looks like they've been broken off a while ago, but that's okay. The trap door seems to do a pretty good job as long as it's in its home. And the glove box going back in is pretty easy. You just do that until this catches on its home, and then your glove box slowing arm, you can manipulate that into its spot and slide it down until you hear that nice click, and then you can just close your glove box and you're all done. So that is how to replace your air cabin filter and breathe nice, healthy, clean air in your 2015 Ford Edge. I implore you to do this yourself. Anyone can do this. It is really not that big a deal. It is super approachable, an excellent way to start working on your car, save some money, and make sure the job is done correctly. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If this video has helped you at all, consider giving it a like. It really helps the channel out. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time.